It's your boy Coyote Mar, back at it with a new video. But if you guys see the title, man, y'all basically know what's going on. If you guys been watching the channel, you also know what's been going on, man. I've been going crazy with the mods. So if you guys are wondering what we got done today, man, we got some more performance mods. If you guys are wondering which one that is, let's go ahead and just pop the hood, get right into this video, man. Now we got that nice looking carbon fiber hood. We haven't drove the car in a couple days also, so don't complain about the car being dirty. Well, if you guys are wondering why I haven't drove the car really, basically because this new mod I got is touching the hood, so the hood doesn't close. And if you guys are wondering what that mod is, let me go ahead and pop that for you guys real quick, man. As you guys can see, we went with that brand new Cobra Jet setup. Now, I've told y'all that I was gonna be going crazy with this build, so I might as well get started, man. We got a lot more shit coming soon to the channel, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, be sure to go do so now. Post a lot of content. Also, let me know down below in the comments what kind of content you guys want to see. Like, I know I got all the races for y'all. I haven't got the races on a new setup with the cam, if you guys are wondering too. I do have the stage 2 comp cams in the car, so the cars is gonna be crazy. I haven't really got to test it with the Cobra Jet yet in the cams, because like I said, man, the hood doesn't close, so we have to cruise around like 40 and zip tie the hood down and everything when we do drive the car. We still need to find a solution to see how we gonna get this hood to close. I know I do have an option of cutting the hood, but come on, man, who really wants to cut into some carbon fiber? I can also go with engine mounts, or I can go with K-member. The K-member saves 61 pounds, I believe. The motor mount, I think it adds 3 pounds. And cutting the hood, obviously you're not going to really shred any weight with that. But man, I don't want to cut the carbon fiber hood. I low-key do want a K-member. If you guys are wondering what the K-member does, it basically is going to drop the engine down. I believe it drops to the inch. I could be wrong. It's either 0.75 or an inch. I'm not too sure which one it is. Be sure to correct me down in the comments if you guys do know. But I'm probably going to end up going with the K-member. I'm not really too sure yet, but y'all already know, man, I'm going to keep you guys updated with the full build. So man, make sure y'all are staying tuned, man. I'm trying to let y'all know I got a crazy build coming soon. If you guys don't know, in the near future, I do plan on throwing the twin turbo on the car. Now, before I do that, I do want to have some fun in NAs, so of course we had to go FBO. I don't know what's too much else I could do to the car. If you guys have any suggestions, if you guys know any mods y'all want me to put on the car, y'all want me to wrap the car, let me know what y'all think, man. Honestly, I wasn't really planning wrapping this car. I kind of like how the white is. If you guys don't know, I have the car ceramic coated. If you guys do need any ceramic coat needs, man, make sure to go hit up my boy at Kong50. We'll leave his ad beside the video. When a car is clean, man, the car shines like crazy. I don't know if I told you guys yet, with the Cobra Jet, for some reason the car gets a lot louder. Like, you can actually low-key tell that the car is cam. Now, like I told you guys in last videos, these Coyotes do not chop, man. So whatever you do to them, they do not chop. Now, I think you can do the lockouts that they have to have them chop, but you do lose performance. So I know a lot of you guys been asking me, why don't I lock them out? That's why I don't lock them out. I don't want to lose any power. I want this car to be like a race car, so we keep it in lightweight. The car is full weight right now, but we are going to gut it out again once we can get all this hood issues figured out, and I guess just go from there. I know I've been doing a lot of talking too, so let's go ahead and just get right into this cold start. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Video does not do justice, man. If you guys hear this shit in person, man, this shit is 10 times louder than what it is in the video. I'm not too sure if you guys were going to be able to tell that the car does sound louder with the Cobra Jet setup. Oh, I didn't even get into the full setup. So matter of fact, let me go ahead and get closer for you guys. Y'all see we got the Big Daddy Cobra Jet on there, man. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but the hood is scratching this little plate right here, as you guys can see. And that's, I believe it's hitting like somewhere in here, so it's not going to clear the hood. I don't want to cut the hood, so like I said, man, probably going to go with that K-member to lower that engine down just a tad bit, so we can be able to clear the hood and give you guys some pulls, do some data logs and all that good stuff. Moving over here, we went with the VMP twin jet 69mm throttle body. So if you guys are wondering, man, the twin jet throttle body is already ported, so is the Cobra Jet. Moving on to the intake, as you guys can see, man, we went with the Steeda closed box air intake for the Cobra Jet Manifold. There are different throttle bodies that you can go with. There are also different intakes that you can run with the Cobra Jet, but I think that this is pretty much the best setup that I went with. The 69mm, also the Steeda closed air box. They have the PMAS. A lot of people do like the PMAS, but I'm not really too big of a fan on the open element intakes. Besides that P51, the P51 I had was actually pretty good. I know a lot of you guys been asking me if I did like that P51. P51 was putting in work, man. I would highly suggest anybody running a stock manifold to run that P51. If you guys are new to the channel and you guys don't know the old setup, we was running the 18 manifold, P51 intake, stock throttle body. The manifold and the throttle body was ported by my boy Top Notch Performance. If you guys need any porting, make sure to go hit my boy up. I will leave that at the side of the video. I did some test pulls on this setup. Like I said, man, the hood doesn't close. As you guys can see, man, the hood doesn't close. So we wasn't able to go full Magusto on the gas yet, but I did do a little pull from like 10 to 40 miles per hour. Not gonna lie, man, that shit felt crazy as fuck, bro. So I can't wait to bring this content out to you guys when I'm able to drive the car, give you guys some more pulls, man, because honestly, with the Cobra Jet, I did feel more gains with the cams than I did with the stock manifold. With the stock manifold, the cams felt fast. Don't get me wrong, that shit did feel fast as fuck, but it's nothing compared to how this manifold felt from that baby pull that I did just with the Cobra Jet throttle body and the new intake that we went with. Like I said, man, we can't drive the car, so I can't give you guys any pulls or anything. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hopefully in the next video we can have the K member installed, and of course if I get that K member installed, I'm gonna be able to do some pulls. So obviously you already know, man, I'm gonna go full Magusto with the new setup, do some hard ass pulls, get a whole bunch of races in for you guys and all that other stuff. But it's your boy Coyote Mar, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. You wanna tell them what we finna go do right now, Jack?
Hey man, we're finna go to Mexico, man. We're finna see what these 6130 tires is talking about, man.
We got the draggy all set up. Where you got the draggy at?
Right here, man.
Got the draggy all set up,
on
man.
the back to be like a pro.
Hey man, we finna go.
See, I told you it's magnetic, bro. Just stick it to this and stuff.
Oh wow, that's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Anyways, man, like he said, we're finna go test out the 6130s and Camaro. I know I told you guys in the video, but I do got a little something extra today. Didn't want to keep the content boring, so let's go ahead. He's finna get some flybys and see what he runs on the draggy.